Should I'm going to explain about the tags. In tag, anchor tag, table tags, and the liquid tags. In anchor tag, it is nothing but by using this anchor tag, we know that in Facebook we have the username and password. When we select, it will directly when we select it directly goes to the another page. It is like that only. In the HTML, by using that HTML reference we're giving it, when you do that, it will connect to that page. It will be the same option, but it is mandatory. These two are optional. When coming to the table, when coming to the table tags, table tag is used to create the table. Table header. In table head, it is represents the table head. Table rows, TR. This is TH. This is table row. These are rows, table rows. And table data. In table data, these are the table data. By presenting the table data, we insert the data into the table. Linked tags. Linked tags is link to the CSS. CSS is used to design the table. For we get the borders, we use the CSS. In link tag, we use the CSS path to link to the CSS path. It is mandatory. When it comes to the frame, it is easy to divide two HTML parts. In frame, row. If you want to divide the row two rows, means you give them rows. If you want to divide it into columns, you will give them columns. In this frame, these are HTML. So, and in the second, we will give the second HTML path. By giving these two paths, we can divide the HTML pages. Distributing methods. There are four methods: get method, post method, put method, delete method. Get method is less secure, and the less data will be transferred. In the post method, it is more secure, and more data will be transferred. For example, if we give the name and password means in get method. In HTTP address, it will display both password and username. It is not much effective. So we in post method, in post tag, by using post tag, it will hide the password and username. That's why we are using the post tag. Put method is used to put inside the data. Delete tag is used to delete the data. Forms. Form action, here hash represents to the particular page. Method by example, the portion here. Post is mandatory and get you don't prefer. Input type, text. What type of text you want to give and name and values. There are different types of tags in the HTML required. If you want to require that username or mandatory, then we use required. Pattern. If you give the password here, want to validate for validation purpose, the pattern is to be used. Minimum length. The minimum length. What the minimum length should be assigned by minimum length and maximum length. The maximum length should be assigned by maximum length. And read only. Read the data. Placeholder is to write the text. For example, enter your name. It will give the information into the table, into the box. Checkbox. Checkbox is used to select the both options. For example, if you want to select both means, you will go for checkbox. Radio is used to select either two of them. We want to select only one. For example, name or female, we will select either only one. In that situation, we will select radio. disable. By using disable, the data will be disabled.
हाँ
Validation के disable we can't change the name. We can't change the validation. We will check the checks all the perfect means it then only we use to the other page. In non-validate, whether checking these all processes, it directly goes to the another page. Thank you.